My name is Amelia DePass. This is for Dr. Jenny's Technology and Physical Education class, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a forearm volleyball pass. First, you need your hand placement correct. Form a fist with your right hand, thumbs stay out, and wrap your left hand around your right. Bring your thumbs together and your forearm straight. Next, you need your legs shoulder width apart, knees bent, arms up with your shoulders pressing forward. You should keep one foot slightly in front of the other. Here's a video of an improper pass. He had his thumbs crossed and hits the ball off his knuckles, which in most cases causes the ball to go in any direction. He does, however, have his feet in the right position, and he correctly lowers his left shoulder to move the ball in his desired location. You want to keep your chest up, and when the ball reaches contact, extend your legs, but not fully, and firmly raise your forearms. You notice that he is in a standing position and swings his arms and shoulders out to the side as he carries the ball back to his target. Instead, you want to move your feet to get your body behind the ball, plant your feet, and center the ball with your body.